Took me a minute to find the screw. I don't even think it's the same screw, but it works. So, to kind of finish off this, and we are sticking the screw right there, and then we are putting in this screw, and this screw, and everything should be locked in beautifully, perfect, and we shouldn't have to worry about it until it breaks again, or until I gotta get to a window motor or yada yada elsewhere. You know what I mean? I hope you do. So first screw in, got the handle. Sweet. And then you have this next. This screw or this screw. This one obviously goes to here. This one goes into here. Doesn't really matter which one you start with. I go from smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest. Let's see. So you want to make sure that the hole's lined up as much as possible. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so you can see that it's slightly off, but the second I start screwing in, it'll position right. So hard on it, but at least try your hardest to get it as accurate as possible. No one's perfect, man, so you don't have to stress on if your 23-year-old car is capable or not. Okay, so you stuck that one in first. If you did, you want to stick your cap back on. Make sure it's good. Make sure it's not torn up right here. Because otherwise it won't stick on. Beautiful. Don't gotta worry about it. And that side's locked in. Locked in. Now we start with these screws. These screws go over into, see if I can position it properly. Go into, right. I'm sorry, I'm a little slow, guys. And back and forth. Man, I really need to clean this. Oof. Yeah, so just one screw right there, and then one screw right here. Cool. And then those two screws out right now. Once I screw them in, should be flowers and daisies. You want to obviously shimmy this if you feel like it's resisting a little bit. You want a tight fit. It's obviously going to be a little tough just because of the grommets on the other side on the door frame. You want to do one good turn. Cool. Now you got those two bolts in. You're gonna throw this on. Obviously, as you can see, my clips are broken for the most part. There's very limited, not many left. But it's okay, because it still stays on perfectly fine. And I'm not the person to look over a peel. So what we're gonna do is you want to angle it kind of sideways in there. You see how I got that angle on there? Because that's how you're gonna get the first ones in. See if I can. Nope, I can't get it in. Pretty much, you want to get this one and this one for these, and this back baby out here for this one. You want to angle it forward first, and then kind of dial it back, get those in place. The second those are in place, everything hooks right in. That's why I'm not really concerned about the back clips, because those are just structural clips. Obviously, when you pull the door, you're gonna pull at a little lip when you go to close it. But as you can see, even with all those broken clips, it's still holding on strong. So that's good. Whole door's set. Everything's solid. You can hear it. Everything's good. I'll get in here just to check it out. Oh, it's locked. Cool. Wonderful. Opened up. Locks. See? Wonderful. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if I can do anything else to make your experience a little bit better and hopefully help you understand. Thank you and enjoy your day. Peace.